Oh, look, so that continues in the law. I think what before second continue what we discussed, we already discussed the different Buddhist sect and their founder, right? What are the different Buddhist sect? Nyingmapa, Kunkunchogebo, and then Gaikuba, then Marvalozawa, and then Kunkunchogebo was founder of the Sajaba and the Gilupa Chedongamba. Okay. Now here the different Buddhist sect. Okay, now here the first number of the a number of the different Buddhist sect grew in Tibet. Second, these sects all have the slight different rules and teaching, but they all follow the word of the Lord Buddha in their way. The third, the four major sects of the Buddhism in Tibet. So Gadamba was founded by Longchenpa as well as known as Nyingmapa. Kagyuba was founded by the great master called Marba. Disayaba was founded by great master of scholar called Kunkuncho Gyabo. The Gelupa sect was founded by great religion teacher called Jezongamba. Okay, now here you can see the different Buddhist sects. Now first, let me translate in Tibetan language. Tangaran nang basanje be ngaran chun ngaran na phe na lo le nang basanje be chu la ro wa nang basanje be chu ta chu men wa lo ra chu gyu men wa mangbo chi tu si ne yo re ta zo she ben chu gyu chim bu shi lo ra tang gi nga zo ngo la lap sa chi sa ge ning ma ga gyu ge luk stik chen ta di nga zo yo re da nga ne shin phe yo re phe ndi and the phe gi founder lu tu kha she ji gi thwa le se bra phe gi founder di phe su de ngi su re se na 당하나 저기 변된 셰럽 라그와 변된 매우 셰럽 로드 셰럽 라그와 어치 당아도 딘니버디나 로를 같이 있는 당아도 색도 참말로 슬라이드 these mandaviores different rules suzuki rule suzuki tachi lapchu kongtu se ne ta chabi ne karine manda yores inele mandavi inele ta 상물로 가리 follow 치고 로드 보다게 순전 요데 follow 치고 그래서 가르치는 것도 나나 지나로리아 빨라암나 찍바이네레 부시가 만다고 로가도와 아니 이네레 빨라암나 빨라암나 순교기 가지고 내가 빨라암나 순교람 뒤친교는 가지고 부삼이 치고 치러 봐 원내신이 또 바상이 좀 된게 순산교 최디 추기면다고 상물로기 때 뒤치고 그러다스 나린 땅기 그래서 이네게 수수기 라마 다 로갈 랍다 로가 차고 그러와 오진에 추기형 로가도 민 로가 차되어 레스티제 당한주 four major sect dinang penal tum kadamba to junje ranjam batil ningma bala gurdas the gagubadi su de versen marba ges tu su de vertas ajabadi khongunjo yebu su de veres tangana shingi ngarandu gilubadi su de versen jerumbuji jezongam bati chimbugi jezongam ba chimbuju su de veres jezongam ba yana ngaranski orum chikundi tambugi gelayan chagi yores ogeta di semshaja na niwadi na longaranso first Dalai Lama ta kyangurumji ki tordu chulogyu Andinalonga Sangbo Gendun Duba was born in 1391 in Central Tibet. His parents Gombu Turji and Alhamunamgi. Then his giving name was the Pema Turji. He founded the Tarishilambo monastery, wrote more than 8 books, spread Buddhists throughout Tibet. Adina keja kan gyarum ji Gendun Duba gi ta kurang tung sa di khawa tung bu phe u mo ji ji dong sum je gu ji en pa bia gu chen la ya do je na yum chomun nam khai ki se le tu ku tung bare kurang chung du gi chen la ya be ma do ji shu go re dine kurang gi tashirum bu gi monastery shilum bu gi cha ta bare monastery di kurang gi thep cha chim bu de yoro phe number san ji Buddhist sculpture de thep pe cha chim bu de gele ma theories 다가네 신 코랑게 추디여로 코랑게 추기 라브레 추디 가서 표현하려고 때마 넘버 산제베 템바디 몽고 쉬우지 답답했다 레스 이제 가고 해야죠. Then first Dalai Lama, the one of the Tsongkhapa's disciple, was a great Buddhist scholar called Gendun Duba. Second, he spread the Gelugpa teaching far and wide across Tibet. Third, he built up the great Tashnumba monastery and later it became the monastery of the Panchen Lama. Then fourth, Gendun Gyamtso was the great scholar, well-known scholar in Gelugpa sect. He wrote a holy Buddhist sculpture. Sixth, Gendun Duba was dead in 1474. As soon as death of the Gendun Duba, the second recognized a second reincarnation. Tadina geja kharishego sana thangbu di gyarum sing jezongamba gi gitu suchayo sana gyaw kuni thangbu gi gitu chayo res khona yang Buddhist scholar kyawang ji scholar and kyawang so scholar means the kyawang res kyawang and pet khang sang kyewache and daga nation gi he spread the Gelugpa teaching far and wide across Tibet. Konang na Gelugpa gi church to ani zamning tang zamning la wore da chinang thapi tang res ta phena ma che phena lo thapi shu chimbu tang res je gyawrum ji kuni thangbu gen du bak an konang gi gyawrum ji kuni thangbu gen du bak khari cha ta res na Tashlumbu monastery Tashlumbu la kondo shigazili into Tashlumbu monastery di cha ta na di je la ya shigazi monastery Tashlumbu kumbati sugi shungne cha Panjarum Buchingi Shune Chavres. Nene Gidwin Jamso, the great well-known scholar Gaurum Jikundi Tango de Petkura, and Kawan of the Gilube Seg Nalone, Gilube Chudu Nalone, Hangsangi Kawanji and Korangi that Chabi Manguji Tiores, holy sculpture and the Petkur Tachimbu Chabi sculpture means Pecha Tachimbu in the Pemang Tiores. And Yaurum Jikundi, Tambudi, Kadu Kushing la Pel Chilchitu should be Shiloriaku, Yangele Desa Vegila, and Koran Gundu to Buku, Yangele Savagila, Kundi Nivadi, and see pay your risk in Yamzo. Dina Maran Tonjea, the courage was in priest and patron relation, priest and a gala teacher. Patron means student level, priest and patron relationship. Dina Gela the Suchayers and Yaurum Jikundi Zumba, Sunam Jamzu to Chayres. Dina gave patron the Suchayers and Aldin Khan and Sobu Giore. Sobu Giuna in Bamase, Sobu Giu Kurang, Yaurum Jikundi Zumbalayeta, Title Nani, Kari title nam, the Lama, title Nara, Ocean of Wisdom, title Nani Sure, the Gidu Sucha, Sobu Giu, Aldin Khan, the King Sures and Yaurum Jikundi Zumba. Dichari Anzuki Sunam Jam to study res. Okay, di jelaya. Okay, di jelaya Sunam Jamzo and Mongol. Gaurum Jikundi Sumbata and Mongol Baru Deva Khariyosna. First, Sunam Jamzo was the priest of the Mongolian king Aldin Khan. The second, the Sunam Jamzo preaches to the Aldin Khan and his Mongolian people. Preaches to the Aldin Khans and Mongolian people. Okay, then Aldin Khan very much impressed of the Buddhism, so the Buddha word would become the law in Mongolian. The Garum Jikundin Sumba the Gelarwa teacher Aldin Khan the Sama Mongol gi meet Sama Harichabs and the Garum Jikundi Sumba gi the Giwu the Giwu Aldin Khan gi Aldin Khan Giducharo and Sunam Jamzu priest Chadura Chumeche Maduki the Chushuni teacher and Sulia Chusumba and Aldin Khan Chusumbare Hakbar the Mongolian and Sopu Mimandu Zulia Chusumberta Aldin Khanda and the Ganeshing Aldin Khan gi Garum Ching Chusungyo the impressed and Hang Sangi Gawu. Tangaro Zemuji Judu Chumen Am Zemudi impressed Chaslan Bay up Zemud Gudu Lejo. The Danganishingi Eldin Khan Gewuki Sobu Gewudi, but Gaurum Chu Sung Shan Yudil Bay Nawadur. Wa Tango Dundu Shim the Dung Bay Yabuchunson Am Bay Yapudu. Eldin Khan Gaurum Sung Shan Yu Chu, the Buddhism Chu the Bay Nawadur. The now do this and Gaurum Chingi, courage Dichi Gaur the Aldin Gau Gundi Sumba Gau Sonam Jamzu Sun Shan Yu Chu, the Sangmar Nangbe San Yu Chu, Mongolian Alaya, this Tindu Susha, last teaching. The name fourth, the largest number Mongolians converted into the Buddhism. Teacher Aldin Khan giving the title to his holiness, his priest, the Dalai Lama. It means at the ocean of wisdom. Okay, Sunam Jamzu's fame, the teacher, and spread Buddhism religion throughout the Tibet and beyond. He also visited China and called and settled the border of the dispute between Mongolian and China. Ta shibedana keja harashigosan gyarumchi tangaran Mongolian gi lagota 편천볼로 라지는 몽골에는 속부 망보지 가르쳐주는 부디즘을 추구했다. 알딘칸기 개국이 속부 개국 먼저 그 여름 질이야 센스티브 달라이라마라 센디 돈다 칼로스 오션 오브 위스덤 타이에비 시작 베트코르 여름 집베트 그 시작하는 빼 야순난 신기 베트코 띵바 띵 제가보라 어디에 지금 베트코르 겨울 야순난 신기 딱 시작 신기 요상 코라니야 달라이라마 센스 표현함레스 안에 소남 겸족이 아니 딱 여름 지구리 숨바기 쿠란게 추추 당아서 넘버 산제베 추디 pöna maze ani sogodan tindelaya targep chukchi mutan ores ko yawrum chi kundi sumba janangi janala chik dores janada sobu tan yusuma nyokta sladior nyokta janada sobu ni paruli ani sobu yusuma janagi sobu ongche ro so janagi mimangbu chik ta dichigo pet ko ong ta pet ong gudu sama mimangbu chik dichigo ta kange shuji janada kange shuchi mutte de samba yawrum chi kundi sumba sanam nyamju te dibe me distribute lan pet settle down the nyokta chi conflict jora nyokta di me seberta su yawrum ji kundi sumba janala pa pidu sambale and so buda di nyokda jorwa odi me so rest wada ga chik shache